Everyone, my name is Naomi Mungia, and today I present my sheets on Project Wellness presentation. My first sheet is my floor plan. The design concept is based on communication in the hive, and that's why my walls are in octagon shapes. Some of the rooms include a lobby, 2 massage rooms, a sauna, a gym, a therapy room, a locker room, bathrooms, a janitorial room, and my patio. The second sheet is my reflective ceiling plan, where I will have different heights of ceilings for some of the rooms and of course different types of lighting. The third sheet is my section cut of the site. On the right shows the roof and floor level heights and also a person to show how tall the walls are. My fourth sheet are my elevations. The east elevation shows a person for reference to show how tall the site actually is. The north elevation includes my front entrance and as well as the canopy. The west elevation shows the back of the site with my fence and window display for people inside to see. The fifth sheet is my axonometric view, where you can see how the interior design itself within the site, from the lobby along through the hallway towards the back of the site. My first perspective is my cash wrap. I will show my reception desk in front of my feature wall once you entered. Behind the feature wall is where employees will enter and check in to work, along with the staff room. Next perspective is my outdoor patio. You can see there is a fence enclosed so people can sit and rest after using the utilities of the wellness center. Only one door to enter and exit to the patio, and lastly, a large window to show my Zen garden. People who are working out can see out into the Zen garden. My first treatment room is my therapy room. From the size of the space itself is small because 2 or 3 people are to use this room to talk about their issues they are dealing with. Lastly, my second treatment room is my massage room. I wanted the space to be big enough to hold at least 2 to 3 beds, as well as a table, sink, and storage closet to put towels, oils, and lotions for employees to access within the room. Thank you for listening to my Project Wellness Center.